Greetings. I am Chef B. Harriet Brown of Sisters on a Roll Food Ministry. These hands are not mine. They're yours. For community, for partnership, and for waging war with the fork.
And I am Steve Wasco. I'm the director of the St. Suzanne's Cody Rouge Community Resource Center in Northwest Detroit. In the last 8 years, we have managed to develop a nonprofit-managed full-service community center serving everyone from 6-month-old infants to 85-year-old senior citizens and everything in between. Some 67,000 people walked through our front doors last year. And we're very, very neighborhood-centric and community-centric both in providing the services, but both in terms of our structure. All of our board members, our residents, or leaders in the immediate neighborhood in which we serve, and everyone who works at the center literally lives in a neighborhood, in many cases walking up to work every day. A little more information about our team, and Chef B will describe a third partner as well.
In partnership with St. Suzanne's Food Rescue, Adama Detroit, and others, we fulfill our mission by fighting food scarcity and injustice for the people, the planet, and with purpose through weekly food shares. And to date, we have saved 160 metric tons since our inception from landfill.
Interestingly, given our strong commitment and our original guiding principles to issues of sustainability, resilience, and really true community long-term sustainability, just within the last several months, we were chosen as one of the EPA Community Change grant winners with a total of $2.5 million investment in a number of energy efficiency, clean energy improvements to our facility, and most importantly, in terms of resilience, being able to provide the services at the times that the community most need it. When the power goes out or when there's flooding or we have the kinds of conditions we had earlier this week, that's very difficult without the kinds of resiliency. And most interesting, one of those improvements is actually going to be energy improvements in the kitchen, which we're speaking about this afternoon, and a brand new induction oven that's already been purchased and ready to be installed.
Have you ever had vegan wings? So with this product that you see before you, we currently have provided 350 meals weekly from excess food converted into wholesome meals. Getting to market will provide us the means to scale that upwards to 12,000 yearly. Expanding on our current business model, we can create products, provide jobs, and expand the 615 pounds of food that we save weekly to 32,000 pounds yearly. And we can consult with you on creating food products to assist your communities. We hope to expand to put our profits into our community feeding programs, and 107 days operations will get us to break even, and you can help us reach 150 days in operation that will create 12,000 new meals. More revenue equals more meals equates to less landfill, which provide resources directly to our said communities. Hunger has many faces. Our processes will reduce landfill by 51 metric tons of surplus food, and these offerings will impact our community through service.
Just to put in context the environmental impact in two particular ways. One is that this program would result in the emissions reduction the equivalent of 11.9 gas-powered vehicles over the course of a year, or the energy used at 6.8 homes during the course of the year. And what does that really mean, going back to the neighborhood-centric community and approach that we serve? Basically, on this map, red is not a good thing. This is based on the Michigan Environmental Justice Tool and shows the 85 to 95% percentile, which the neighborhood that we serve ranks in terms of all of these features, including environmental pollutant exposure, low income, unemployment, and resultant low expectancy. Also shows the 50% of the surrounding population having unequal regular access to healthy food and nutrition.
About those wings, I need you to tell your favorite restaurants that you want these on the menu, and I asked our in-kind donations, electric delivery vehicles, kitchen redesign for efficiency, a food freeze dryer for sustainability, marketing expertise, and volunteer support, and waging war with a fork.
And we thank you very much.